friends, this week we are going to be working on consonant digraphs. Remember, a consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. So again, we are going to have consonants that work together to make specific sounds. We're going to specifically be working with the letter combinations CH, PH, SH, TH, and WH. Some two-letter combinations stand for a single sound. Let's look at the chair. Say the word chair. The C and the H at the beginning of this word do not make the sounds k, h. Instead, they work together to make the ch sound. Say the word again with me. Chair. Do you see how the C and the H work together to blend and make that ch sound? Let's look at the word phone. Do I hear a p, h in the word? No. The P and the H work together to make a f sound for the word phone. Go ahead and say it with me. Phone. Do you hear the f sound in the beginning of the word? The next word we have is the word shark. Do you hear the sounds s, h in the beginning of the word, or do you hear the blend sh in the word? I hear the blend sh. The S and the H work together to make the sound sh. Let's take a look at another word. This is a big word, but I'm sure you've seen one of these before when you haven't been feeling well. Your mom or dad may have used a thermometer to take your temperature if you don't feel good. Here, the letters TH work together to make the th sound. Instead of the T saying t and the H saying h separately, the T and the H work together to make the th sound, as in thermometer. Say the word with me. Thermometer. Do you hear those two letter blends in the beginning? The last one we're going to take a look at is the word whale. Say the word with me. Whale. The W and the H are not separate sounds. Therefore, I don't hear w, h, ale. I hear whale. The WH work together to make a single sound in the word. Practice the word with me. Whale. All right, friends, are you ready to identify some of these sounds on your own? I have a list here of 5 words that you are going to read with your learning guide. You are going to practice reading these words and then identifying or telling your learning guide the 2-letter blends in the beginning of the word. You're going to sound it out and then tell your learning guide which letters work together to make this sound. I will do the first one for you. The first word we have is shelf. So first you're going to say the word. Second, you're going to make the sound in the beginning of the word. Sh. You hear it? Sh. What 2 letters make that sh sound? The S and the H make the sh sound. So you're going to say the word, shelf, sh, sound out the 2-letter blend, and then identify which 2 letters make that sound. Ready? Here we go. All right, now that you've paused the video and you've come back, let's check your work. The next word is chill. CH makes the ch sound in chill. The next word is theme. I hear th from the letters TH. Do you? The next word is graph. Gr is the blend that I hear, and then the letters G, R make up the GR digraph. And last but not least, I have the word whisk. W. WH makes up the W sound. You guys did a great job today of practicing some consonant digraphs. Next, you are going to go ahead and complete page 131 in your Readers and Writers Journal with your learning guide. Great job, friends!